Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. A very happy Valentine's Day to you all, guys. I hope you are celebrating this Valentine's Day with your loved ones, Aquarius. So, we are picking cards for your general energies first, guys, for your relationship and then for your career situation, guys, Aquarius. So, let's start with the general reading. So we have Death in reverse, Emperor in reverse, and Two of Cups in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, Aquarius, today, some kind of what to say in your career, maybe some kind of partnership or collaborations you are reaching today, guys. Maybe with your business, there are people interested to collaborate with you or work with you. So some positive progress in your situation today, and you have that happiness because of that, because of the way things are going in your career situation, or it may be something in your personal life. So this person may come towards you, interested in you, and they may be proposing to you, or they may step up their commitment, want that deep commitment with you. So they are proposing for wedding, or they are getting engaged to you. Some kind of a positive change in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So you are happy for that. But I also see that there are certain things holding you back in your situation. It may be the way you go about your work. Maybe for some of you, you are quite careless today in your career or in your life. Uh, you don't have that much dedication or concentration in your work or in your personal life situation. The reason may be, for some of you, it may be illness or some kind of distractions. So that may be the reason for carelessness today, guys. Or there may be something else also distracting you. It may be a different career path, or if it is in your personal life, it may be someone else. So you are focused on that. Maybe that is the reason you are not concentrating in this present relationship or in your present work, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Four of Wands. So I see that you are celebrating a new beginning, uh, some small start in your relationship. It may be a proposal or engagement, something which makes you happy today, Aquarius. So a positive progress in this relationship, that is what I see. So the previous energy is what we were talking about, that deep commitment or that partnership. It may be in your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your. We have Four of Cups. So with this card, we see that you are not aware of what is being offered to you, guys, Aquarius. So there are rare gifts coming in your career situation, rare opportunity, something like a rare gift coming towards you, but you are not aware of it because you are living in your own world. You have a lot of concerns, or you have some distractions taking away your attention. So you are not aware of these choices in your career situation, guys, Aquarius. So you need to be more attentive in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is a reading. I have a Valentine's Day special pick a card love reading coming up right now, guys. If you're interested, you can watch it, guys. Aquarius, stay tuned for that reading. For your pick a card love reading, guys, I have two cards. Today is Valentine's special. So each card comes with a special guidance for you, what you need to do today, guys. So you can close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading will resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, guys. So let's start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? We have breathe. This is your card for today, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So this card comes with a special guidance, and that guidance is to have patience today, wait and take everything slowly. So this is a time patience is called for in everything, guys. So you need not hurry, you need not be hasty about any decision or about anything. Heart needs time to open, take a breath, and let nature take its own course. So you need to wait. You need to give up all that worries and stress, whatever you have in your situation, release all that tension you have, and just enjoy this present moment. Waiting won't prove difficult, guys. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right, but your ego will not know, will resist that learning. So you have to be really patient. That is what this card calls for. Just breathe and just be. And patience is going to pay off in more meaningful ways than ever, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So if you are rushing to make some important decisions, this may not be the time for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. We have aqua or a quartz. That is your card for today. So this card just means that connecting to that infinite potential that we have in ourselves and knowing the purpose of our life. So we meet so many people, but in our life we often find our soulmate somehow, and we land up together in unexpected ways, guys. So friends and family or people we like, we meet in the most unexpected places and in an unexpected way, and love makes itself known just as you are beginning to doubt whether it is really there for you, guys. So this crystal spirit, it comes with a special message, guys. You need to be childlike with that wonder and believe in magic. If you do that, if you believe in magic and believe in the power of love, no matter how dark your situation is, love will find you for sure, guys. And you are not forgotten. So, love is everywhere, and even in the darkest hour, it is right there, right in front of you. So, you just need to let it find you. That is what is the necessary thing, guys. So that is the reading, guys. So this person you love, or a friend or a family whom you are missing, is going to come towards you this Valentine's Day, guys. That is what I see with this card, with this crystal spirit. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.